here is the sign for vacation. Okay, we're going to use both hands. The hand shapes are the same. First, start like this with the number 5, or we could say flat hand with the fingers spread apart. Take your thumbs and we're going to bend them in, bring them in just a little bit. Now using the tips of the thumbs, only the tips of the thumbs, we're going to touch the sides of our chest twice. Vacation. Vacation. All right, so we're lining up there. The fingers are more or less pointing at each other. All right, only the tips of the thumbs are touching, and we bounce twice. Vacation. Vacation. From the side. Vacation. Other side. From the front again. Okay, starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Vacation. Vacation. Okay, this sign, it also works for the concept of holiday, and like we've been using it for vacation. All right, quick review. Hand shapes, start with the numbers 5, or we could say open hand. Take the thumbs, bend them in front a little bit, point them to the front a bit. Now using the tips of the thumbs, tap twice on the sides of your chest. Vacation. Vacation. Okay, we just talked about how to sign vacation.